Welcome dear students, another important English language worksheet with solutions. Do check the pinned comment section for other such important English language worksheets with solutions. Choose a correct option to join the following sentences without using and, but or so. Since these are MCQs, adopt the technique analyze, eliminate and choose. He has many sons, he has to educate them. He has many sons to educate, he has many sons to educate them. He had many sons to educate, he has many sons so that he can educate. The fourth option is incorrect because the meaning is not right. What is the purpose of having so many sons? He wants to educate them and therefore he has many sons. No, this is incorrect. He had many sons to educate. There are two mistakes here. He had past tense, but in the question we have present tense, and then he had many sons. Well, he had many sons. This could have been correct, but again, this is incorrect. He has many sons to educate them. Here, we must not use them. Therefore, eliminated. And what will I choose? I will choose the first option as the correct answer. He has many sons to educate. Full stop. Mona failed. It was unfortunate. It was unfortunate that Mona has failed. Unfortunately, Mona failed. It is unfortunate that Mona has failed, or misfortunately, Mona failed. In the question, unfortunate is mentioned, therefore misfortunately is not right, eliminate it. It is unfortunate that Mona has failed, no need to use has failed. In the question, we have past tense, simple past tense, Mona failed. Again, the first option, it was unfortunate that Mona has failed. Past tense and then again, present perfect tense. No need. This is incorrect grammatical construction, eliminated. Unfortunate will become unfortunately, comma, Mona failed. A simple answer. The next one, he worked very hard. He did not sleep. He worked very hard without any sleep. He worked very hard, yet he did not sleep. He worked very hard as he did not sleep. He worked very hard and did not sleep. This is definitely the wrong option. Why? Because you must join these sentences without using and. Eliminated. He worked very hard as he did not sleep. This is his reason. He did not sleep and therefore he did not work less hard. He worked very hard in fact. The meaning is getting changed. Therefore, incorrect. He worked very hard, yet he did not sleep. No, this is again not the right option. The right option is he worked very hard without any sleep. He was working very hard and therefore he did not sleep, without any sleep. Next, I often wake up late in the mornings. I am never late for my meetings. Although I often woke up late in the mornings, I was never late for my meetings. Now, the tense, past tense, but the question is in present tense. Eliminate it right at the beginning. I am sometimes late for my meetings because I often wake up late in the mornings. Although I often wake up late in the mornings, I am never late for my meeting. Although I often wake up late in the mornings, I am never late for my meetings. Similar options. Did I make a mistake? Well, let's analyze the three options. I am sometimes. I often and not sometimes, hence eliminated. Although I often wake up late in the mornings, I am never late for my meeting. Meeting instead of meetings. In the question, meetings. is mentioned, plural. But here in the option we have just meeting. Therefore, incorrect. The right answer is, although I often wake up late in the mornings, I am never late for my meetings. They broke open the door. They saw everything was in a mess. They broke open the door as they saw everything was in a mess? No. They broke open the door and then they saw everything was in a mess. Eliminate it. They broke open the door when they saw everything was in a mess. They did not see the mess before opening the door. Again, incorrect. When they broke open the door, they saw everything was in a mess. They broke open the door to see everything in a mess? No, as if they were expecting the mess inside. Therefore, the right answer is option C. When they broke open the door. When is important here. When they broke open the door, then they saw everything was in a mess. Perfect meaning. Next. Delhi was once the capital of India. It has regained the honor. Delhi, once the capital of India, has regained the honor. Delhi, once the capital of India, have regained the honor. Delhi is singular. We will not use have. Eliminate it. Write at once. Delhi is not only once the capital of India but also has regained the honor. No need to use not only but also here. Therefore, eliminate it. Delhi, once the capital of India, has regained its honor. Here, its is mentioned, but in the question, there is the definite article the. Eliminated. What is the right answer? What did I choose? The first option. Delhi, once the capital of India, has regained the honor. The Satyagrahis were non-violent and peaceful. The soldiers attacked them. The Satyagrahis being non-violent and peaceful, the soldiers attacked them. The Satyagrahis were non-violent and peaceful, therefore the soldiers attacked them. Though the Satyagrahis were non-violent and peaceful, the soldiers attacked them. Or, though the Satyagrahis were non-violent and peaceful, still the soldiers attacked them. Never use still with though. This is incorrect. The Satyagrahis being non-violent and peaceful, the soldiers attacked them. This is not the right construction here. The Satyagrahis were non-violent and peaceful, therefore the soldiers attacked them. No, this is not the reason. The reason is you need to bring out the comparison. Though the Satyagrahis were non-violent and peaceful, the soldiers attacked them. Despite being non-violent and peaceful, the soldiers attacked them. Radhika shouted at a boy, he did not come back again. Radhika shouted at a boy who did not come back again. The boy Radhika shouted at did not come back again. Radhika shouted at a boy unless he did not come back again. A boy Radhika shouted at did not come again. A boy or the boy. Although a boy is mentioned while joining, we need to make use of the definite article the boy. The particular boy Radhika shouted at did not come back again. So B is the right answer. Radhika shouted at a boy unless he did not come back again. Incorrect. And Radhika shouted at a boy who did not come back again. She shouted at him and therefore he did not come back again. So this is also incorrect. I must have left my bag in the classroom. I must have left it on the field. I must have left my bag in the classroom and on the field. Again, do not use and while joining. I must have left my bag in the classroom or on the field. I must have left my bag either in the classroom or on the field. I must have left the bag either in the classroom or on the field. It's my bag and not the bag. The fourth option is also incorrect and the most appropriate answer is the third option because here I have used either. Either must be there in your joining. Christmas comes but once a year. This is known to everybody. Christmas comes but once a year and this is known to everybody. The same mistake. No use of and here. That Christmas comes but once a year is known to everybody. Christmas which comes but once a year is known to everybody. Christmas is known to everybody to come once but every year. So what is the right answer? The right answer is that Christmas comes but once a year is known to everybody. And Christmas is known to everybody. This appears to be correct, but actually Christmas is known to everybody. Yes, but here the moot point is that Christmas comes only once a year is known to everybody. Therefore, I have chosen option B and not option C. So this is the end of today's worksheet. Full marks 10. See how much you have got and subscribe to our channel for more such worksheets. Take care and bye.